best, huh?
Yeah. There's Dad.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to JMJ Vlogs and Pranks. And today we're going to try to pull another prank. I'm hoping that today we can pull a prank on Jaimie. Hopefully she hadn't got a bath yet. But if she hasn't, then I'm going to try to prank her. Because I know she likes, after she gets out of the bathtub, I know she likes to, you know, to fix her hair, blow dry and all that stuff. And I'm going to see if I can't sneak the blow dryer away. And when it goes missing, I'm sure she's going to be looking for it. And she'll probably ask me where it is or if I've seen it. And I'm gonna try to get her with the leaf blower instead of the hair dryer. But I don't know. We'll see how it works. I'm not sure. Hopefully she hadn't taken a bath yet. I just got back, or on the way back now from the store. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And don't forget to turn those notification bells on. It'll let you know when we post more videos. So I'll see you guys inside, and we'll see if we can pull this off tonight. All right, see you on the inside. Hey guys, so Jaimie is in the shower, and I'm fixing to go snatch her hairdryer and hide it, and hopefully she'll want it and wonder where it is. When she does, I'll tell her I'll get it. And except when I bring her hairdryer, I'm fixing to bring this right here. See if we can cause some chaos. Alright, so let's be real quiet. So let's go get that hairdryer. We got it. We got it. All right, now we're gonna hide it. That's good right there. All right. Now we're just gonna wait and see if she notices it's missing. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off, but I'll turn it back on. And then, if she asks me. All right, guys, check it out. She just asked me for her hairdryer where it was. So, we're gonna try to get her. Okay. Jaimie, you ready? I'm fixing to blow. All right, I'm fixing to go get her. Yeah, hold on just a minute. All right, let's go get her. Hey, baby, I got it. Tell me, is this gonna work? Will this work? I can't hear you. The sound of the destruction of your hair. Woo! Oh, we got her. Oh, she's upset. She's upset. I'm getting the hairdryer, baby. I'm getting it. I'm getting it right now. Look, I put it on the pillow. Don't. Here.
Really?
Here it is. You don't think that'll work? Hey, that would be faster.
Yeah.
That would be faster.
You're fixing to get it. Payback's coming.
I better sleep with one eye open. All right, guys. That was funny. What'd you think?
You did her wrong.
We should have had 2 of them. Next time we get into nothing, honey.
Are you laughing?
Oh, you're not mad, are you, baby?
Hey, don't come for me, please. I didn't do it. I was not on that.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Hi.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.